2, 4,
4,
6,
6,
8.
8.
Who do we appreciate?
Who do we appreciate?
10, 12, 14.
10,
16,
12, 14,
18,
16,
20.
18, 20.
$15. $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
17, 18,
21,
22,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30.
The very first book I ever read on meditation was Thich Nhat Hanh, Peace is Every Step. He talks about being present in everyday life and even chores, an activity I almost never hear people talking about how they enjoy. I like chores. Spinning, spinning, spin cycle. Spinning, spin, spin cycle. Spin, spin cycle. Oh yeah. Spin, spin, the spin cycle. Spin, 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 the spin cycles. Spin, 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 the spin cycle. Yeah. I don't usually have time during the week to wash clothes because I'm so tired when I get home from work. So my daughter and I often take the weekend to come to the Lavanderia. It's a little more relaxing that way. Dry baby, dry baby, dry baby, dry. Rolling, dry baby, dry baby, dry baby, dry. Dry baby, dry baby, dry baby, why baby, why baby, why baby, rolling, 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 dry baby, dry baby, dry baby, rolling, dry baby, dry baby, dry baby, why baby, why baby, why baby, dry. I love how the clothes come out of the dryer super hot. I just want to wrap myself up in them and enjoy that heat some more. Here in the States, people exist mostly in their own little bubble of private experience. Pero me gusta particularmente como la lavandería es un espacio comunal. I like coming to the laundry because it's a communal space. You get to see other people, hang out, and be around them. It's something special. It's something maybe that's taken for granted as normal in other parts of the world. But here you have to really bring in awareness to the experience, to bring others and what they're doing into your frame of focus, perspective, so you can be part of that greater collective experience. Gonna get myself together, wash and have myself some fun. Gonna get myself together. Really enjoying having my new car. We were able to go do the laundry today. Been waiting over a week with our broken down vehicles. It's nice to have something reliable to drive. I can already feel the stress melting away. Feels like I'm taking better care of myself. So I know I have a car payment, but I'm good with that. Glad to have the new ride. I can't tell you how much I was looking forward to getting to the Lavanderia today. We've been waiting to get the new car, have transportation. Everything's interconnected. And finally, I have some clean clothes to wear. I can't tell you how good that feels. Pues, gracias por compartir este viaje conmigo. Te amo, mis amigos. Besos. Keep your clothes clean and take care of yourself out there.